Looking for a shop that actually gets you back on the road fast? At the truck shop in Portland, we keep parts on hand and technicians ready, so downtime stays low and your jobs stay moving. From preventative maintenance to major repairs, our team works on all makes and models, trucks, trailers, and even yard spotters. Quick turnaround times, quality work, no excuses. Because when you depend on your equipment, you need a shop that treats your time like it matters. And right now is the perfect time to try us out. New customers get $50 off any service or repair of $200 or more. Just mention this YouTube ad when you book your appointment. But don't wait, this offer expires December 31st. We're easy to find in Portland. Call, email, or stop in today for quick, reliable service so you can get back to work faster.